Hello and good evening, friends. My name is Shantanu Vaidya. I am here with the new video topic. My today's video topic is intercommunication between threads or intercommunication between threads in Java. So let's start with the today's video topic. Basically, we all know that thread is the concept of multi-threading chapter or multi-threading is the main concept. In that concept there is a thread which is introduced or thread concept is introduced. So we all know about threads and multi-threading concept. So basically the main purpose of today's video topic is that how actually we know everyone knows the multi-threading working as well as purpose. So the main purpose of multi-threading is that with the help of multi-threading you can communicate with or you can perform a multi-threading operations through or over a one object with the help of multiple threads. So basically it is nothing but the communication between multiple threads at a single time. Basically what is the internal communication of threading is, this is the mechanism which allow us to use or to perform a operation of two or more than two threads over a single object. So it means it is the mechanism which is provide you the communication between two threads. Let's take an example. If we have present a thread 1 or thread A and thread B, which is going to perform a operation over object 1. So basically thread 1 is going to implement a task of thread B. So if we think that thread B, when thread B is going to execute or when thread B is going to give the task to thread A, then only it is going to perform, or then only it is going to be on runnable stage of your object one. On that scenario, there is a many wastage of CPU cycles, or you can say that there is a wastage of CPU cycle as well as CPU processing time. So basically what we introduce in that situation, or what is the overcome of that situation, is nothing but interconnection or intercommunication between that two threads. It means when a thread 1 is going to be active, or when thread B is going to be on sleep mode, or is going to be active for second thread. So this is the nothing but interconnection between or intercommunication between multiple threads or two threads or threads. So let's start for the implementing a interconnection or intercommunication between two threads in Java. There is a two three types. Basically sleep call and sleep call and modify. This type of methods are used to call or get the information between threads. With the help of these methods you can get the information about which thread is going to be on runnable stage, which thread is going to be on sleep mode, or which thread is going to be wait outside your object, and which thread is going to be uh, perform the operation simultaneously, and which thread is going to be stopped over the critical critical condition or critical stage of that particular method, particular thread. So basically interconnection of two threads is nothing but thread 1 is going to be stopped over the critical stage of thread 1, thread A, and on that, after that, thread B is going to be perform the operation or perform the given task over the time of period. Thread A is going to be going to be on sleep mode, or going to be on sleep stage. After thread 2 is going to give a modify method, or give the call method, that then only thread B is going to be execute and exit out of that object cycle, and thread 1 is again going to be perform the operation, remaining operation, or is going to be on a runnable stage. So this is nothing but the interconnection between multi threads or interconnection between threads in Java. So this purpose is this process is going to be used mostly in multi-threading, because multi-threading is going to be perform operation over a single object with the help of multiple threads. So on that scenario we can use the interconnection or intercommunication between these threads. So this is all about today's video topic. Thank you so much.